Yes.
You need to wash your car more.
I sure do.
You have a beautiful car,
Thank you.
but it's ugly when you don't wash it.
I need my naps, man.
Yeah, your naps aren't good enough here, alright? How's it going today, guys? We're gonna go hang out with Sangzilla, if you guys remember from a couple episodes ago. Gonna be clay bar on his car today, so figured I'd bring you guys along for the ride, so let's hit it. Alright guys, so we're headed over to Sangzilla's house right now. It's a couple minutes away, but I figured I'd talk to you guys, just keep you up to date on everything that's going on. I know the last few videos and the next few videos are probably going to be a little, you know, not performance segment stuff. It's going to be more hanging out, you know, rides, stuff like that, little things like they did the LEDs, stuff like that, just because I'm waiting on the RCR intake manifold at this point. Every day I wake up and I'm hoping that I got that, you know, message that it's ready to go, send me the money and he'll ship it. So hopefully it's going to be soon, but I figured it's better to keep posting about the car, what's going on, showing off other cars, stuff like that, than just be stagnant and quiet like I was before. So I hope you guys understand that. If there's anything else you're looking for, you know, right now we're going to go clay bar his car, stuff like that, hanging around, screw around, stuff like that. So might as well do something than nothing, right? But other than that, you know, I am looking at other stuff when it comes to performance. Like, I keep getting in these little habits of like looking at ported throttle bodies and different plugs and stuff like that. And it's nothing that I guess this is a good learning thing right here for anybody who's considering doing bolt-ons. There are some things that maybe with more performance mods like a supercharger, nitrous, you know, some kind of actual boost application or a bigger cam, stuff like that, those things come into play and they'll actually help out a lot. But in the situation where you're just doing bolt-ons, like a ported throttle body, I know there's claims that it'll do like 8-10 horsepower. I want to see some dyno numbers. Maybe I'll be the guy to try to show that to you guys eventually, but not with this first part of the build. It just, I've never seen it. I've heard throttle response, and that's one thing, but I mean, you can do that with a tune too. So, you know, that's just my 2 cents. I could be totally wrong, but I think I'm pretty right on this one. So put a comment down below and let me know what you guys think about it. But we're almost there, so we'll get over there and hang out with him. Yeah, guys, I absolutely hate how quiet the car is right now, so I cannot wait to get that exhaust on. It's gonna be sick. Where is he? Oh, wrong window. Ain't that embarrassing? Look at him, so focused right now. Trying to wash the car before we get all over here, but... Hey, buddy.
Hey.
What you doing?
Detail this car.
Oh yeah? Doesn't look like it's very ready for clay bar.
Huh?
You better get that thing completely dried off.
That's what I'm planning.
All right.
So I don't have polish or compound because Shin say provide some.
Yeah.
And he's not here yet.
Well, that's fine because you don't have a wheel either, so you need him, right?
Wheel.
Damn, did you wash the wheels yet?
Nope. Hell no, I didn't.
God. Come on, man. You have a nice and shiny clay bar, polished, waxed car, but then dirty wheels.
Keep the wheels dirty all the time.
Oh my God, it's not a rally car. I mean, it is a rally car, but it's not a rally car. So you're telling me we're only gonna detail the front of your car?
If we have time, we'll do more stuff.
All right.
You think you're gonna have time?
Shit. He washed the hood, but then you come back here, and this is still fucking dirty. What the fuck? We're gonna clay bar. We're gonna compound. Oh, I don't think it needs to be compounded. There's no need for this thing to be compounded at all. There's no scratches that need it. But we're gonna polish. Maybe right there. No, that'll be fine. We're gonna polish, and then we're gonna wax. And I don't know if he has a sealant or not, but we're only gonna do it to the front of the car. Only the front.
This is a learning curve.
You have been on that wheel for about 14 minutes and 36 seconds.
Oh my God.
Yep. Yeah, about that. But it's looking good. It's looking real good. What do you guys think?
Yeah.
Now how are you going to get the calipers? That's my next question.
I'm not getting calipers
Oh, you're not going to get the calipers today?
like that.
No? All right.
Take the,
Alright, now just go the same direction. Just a little bit harder. Love it.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am happy.
Did you learn something today?
I definitely learned a lot
Are
today.
you going to take care of your car more now?
Yes.
Do you promise?
Yeah, he hesitated.
Do you promise?
Yes, I'm trying not to be lazy.
You can-
If not, he's
One-
gonna get Ringland failure.
one less nap a week.
Man.
Look at him. Is this what it's like to have kids?
More or less.
You watch them grow up?
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
It is a beautiful thing to see.
Beautiful. Wow.
Unfortunately, bigger kids take longer to
Yeah, I could see that.
teach.
And they're always hungry. Wow, my feet are wet.
Damn.
Wipe it off.
Now, quick wipe and we're done.
oh man, that look good.
You got no more watermarks. We're not gonna give you
And
shit all the
done.
time.
You lesson learned.
Yeah, I mean you got like every other panel.
Well, I'm glad your hood is done. Because that's, you know, what everyone sees when they're going against traffic.
When we're judging you.
Just the hood.
Did a
Damn,
great job.
that water just came right off, huh?
And just like that, we are back home. So I hope you guys enjoyed this upload. I know it was something a little different. You know, just like I said, trying to fill some gaps while I'm waiting for the rest of the parts to come in. But once they do come in, we'll be hitting that performance segment hard and fast, just like that car is going to be. So please make sure if you enjoyed this video, you hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel. We got a lot of stuff coming up soon, and it's just going to be a little bit longer. So I hope you guys enjoyed it and have a great night.